Yeah, wait. Ngena la.
Yala, ngiyadla.
Yeah.
Ngahlika andithi ububuze ukuthi
Sure. Thethe sim.
Away chat.
Can't hear ntwana yithi.
Yeah, team.
It is start live.
Ithi le team le. Stable.
Ngibona uthi ungu-Batman. Athi
Ibandile.
ngibona ukuthi nakho into eninzi endinoyisho da.
Oh.
I can not everything is about the ID
Ah,
games.
okay.
You are shit. It's just edits game.
Isiyazwakala lifathina la.
Isound ayizwakala ngisho.
Igrand.
Le
Like kumamele kuvakala ibheat kakhulu.
Is live nje.
Oh, ayazazi. Yawazi makhe.
Le ba no sometimes ba bitsa le sound. Le thing mic ukafala isinto.
Ikela.
Nja uyasupporta wenzeni nonja?
Asikhulumeli la ili.
Team.
Isas mafanda.
Ama nominees.
Nominations.
Ba release. Yo. Hey,
Ubuyile.
Check, can you hear me? Yes,
Uthengeka vaya.
Yes, right now. Can you hear me, check?
Okay, siyaqala ne.
Uthixo wanivimba kule kurapper.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Thethe ka.
Yeah,
Akuvakali for
yeah, Steve. Yeah. Iwe kalikale sa. Ayisibakoqala ke. Why lingazwakali mfethu? Oh, kukuthi ndenze lile. That's why.
Oh, hey.
Ngiyazwakala no. Can you hear me, chat? Enkosi. Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
We are about to street. We are about to
1, 2, 3, go.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know that I'm live. You know that I'm green. You know that I'm bling. You know that I'm shine. You gotta do this shit. Landela kaslam. Akekho umuntu ozokuphethela.
Yeah. You know that I'm live.
Tingizi.
Tell music now.
I change.
Yeah. You know that I'm live. You know that I'm free. You know that I'm bling. You know that I'm shine. You cannot do
W rap.
Studio session for it.
Zala again. Zala ikhathi ibeke yini. Zala ni.
Yeah, khathala la khona baba. Sayikosha yi.
Listen to this shit, chat. Listen to this shit.
We dropping baba. We ain't playing here. Akekho umuntu ozokuphethela.
Aye. You know that I'm live. That's my nigga say we live. We living this life. YouTube content shit like we rapping all them shit. W cause shy on the bed.
Sam in the chat, Monsieur Yves. Elvis. Ha? You know that I'm fly. You know that I'm push.
Yeah,
Yeah,
this is
Oh, when you can take a cool guys.
Ukatenile ligaga so. Yeah,
Yeah.
relax it up.
Relax.
Yeah. I'm back. Yeah.
Listen.
Yeah. You know that I'm live. You know that I'm free. You know that I'm bling. You know that I'm shine. You cannot agree with this shit.
The bees is also test studio.
Kulela bukhulumela phansi, kulela phansi. Uwela phansi. Yeah.
Studio like semkhatha.
Ezobe test studio inside zazikhaka zempilo shabo.
Sizama impilo leya.
Okay, siqale bese yakho nawe.
Qala bese yakho wena.
Thingishaya chorus. Come on, shit.
Ene akona motho tshwana ndi royal mone. Akona motho tshwana ndi royal.
Akona mathethelang di real mona ne.
Ama rider wenze woke funa mapi.
Shit. You know that I'm shy. You know that I'm like. You know that I'm bling. You know that I'm blind. You know that I'm shim. Akekho umuntu ozophucela ithuba ukuthi ushine.
Wow, yele.
Yo gang.
Can't be answered.
Yo gang, gang. Yo is yeah, Saran.
Why say kana so?
Akekho umuntu ozokuphucela ithuba ukuthi ube fly.
Yo.
Okay. It's funny.
Yeah.
So, you know that I'm shy. You know that I'm like. You know that I'm bling. You know that I'm star. You know that I'm light. Akekho umuntu ozophucela ithuba ukuthi ube light. Akekho umuntu ozophucela ithuba ukuthi ube fly. You're pushing the beat, you're streaming on live. You know that I'm blind. You know that I'm blind. It's just like the same.
Yeah. You know that we fly. Same way to fly, cause this shit's right. Yeah, sponsor them niggas, sponsor them gas.
Yes.
Yeah, tell me we busy on the check.
Let's hear you.
Angeke ngisirebe la uyilithi.
Jonga le, yo, le nta, yo, this power okay. Yo,
I really get this way.
you know that I'm, yeah, you know that we fly.
Yeah, kind of like.
No.
Ninto ishotayo manje. Ish.
Yo, producer.
Yeah.
W producer in the chat.
Ish, nanto isa kopani.
Yes, please.
W producer in the chat.
It is you.
Okay, must change it the chorus again. Guys, you know that we fly.
Sesizwe kakhulu.
Masebenze kuyo.
Masebenze kuyo.
Yeah, masebenze kuyo yabo. Izohlangana lo. Ayengibela ibeat so fun. Yo,
Hey. Listen, you know that I'm fly. You know that I'm light. You know that I'm bling. You know that I'm light. You know I'm the future, yeah. We streaming on live, you know how we kick it. We on kick. You know how we kick it, you know how we stream it. We on kick. It's Samson and Koshai. You know how we tripping on this beat. We on the stream, we on the stream. We about to fly.
yo, butterfly, butterguy, yasenza ndifuna ukhate. Yeah, that's why.
Wena ungamgayi Mike, maqedile. Hawu. Now again about
Ngifake phansi kwebhasi.
Ngicela ngabo ya.
Yeah, ngiyakubona lo and
Usathi
awusazi.
ama-lyrics aweli. Qala la lady.
Yo baba. Ya egrand ka baba.
You know that I'm not. You know that I'm not. You know that I'm bling bling bling. You know that I'm lie. You know I'm the future, yeah. You see me no lie. You know how we kick it. We run kick.
Oh.
Man, kune something is way off la man.
Yo, thank God. It's
Producer.
okay.
Oh, ukwazi nokulady edit sound ngiso boma.
Okay.
Cap. No, W producer.
Ngoba ngijuksta.
And that's Jukestone.
Ishugo.
Uyakhala ke.
1 2 Willy
Uzophuma
touch
nje.
my
Bam.
Eh.
Yeah. Oh, grrr. Counting up, pockets are swelling. Came from the dark, now they know me too well. Midnight ride, 2 a.m. I'm trapping still, yeah. Nike tackle black, hot cold as steel. Counting up, Katida. Mama, pray for me. She know I'm myself for real. No luck, that's work. Yeah, we run the bills, got so baby.
Oh yeah, yo.
Izophuma nini? Izophuma boma next year.
Ongathi safuna ukumastariwa
iyaphuma lo.
Mastariwa
Next year,
isbam.
Yeah.
Mama me.
Counting up, pockets are swelling. Came from the dark, now they know me too well. Midnight ride, 2 a.m. I'm trapping still, yeah. Nike tackle black, hot cold as steel. Counting up.
That's screaming there.
Mama, pray for me. No, I'm myself for real. No luck, that's work. Yeah, we run the bills, got so baby.
Okay, record.
Ngayikrendi fit.
Sparo chance. Stop.
Maqala. Sakhina ama-lyrics.
Gu
Sakhina
awakuza
ama-lyrics.
cinga mic ini gang.
Takinina water.
Dakini what?
Na man.
Stop again.
Imaqala ngiyakulaha le. Ngcinge u.
Shaya Sam.
Hey, yawe.
Oh.
Why?
Kwenzakalani?
Yeah, Chen.
Oh.
Utobe sayida ile wena
Because you know that I'm going to record.
Oh, when
delete delete.
Yabona yikhupha lile yi.
Yo,
Delete
W
that.
producer. Yo, W is dibanise so.
Oh, wallahi beat.
Why duplicate?
I was all giving him anti beats in fact.
Tobetsa he sound he okanye uthi overlay
Oh, yeah.
tobetsa yisu uread azongena ngesound yakhe akwazi ukuthi yena amabhazi wakhe
Okay, wow.
yenza ngo read nja
Right.
Yeah. This shit is on fire. I'm wearing ice out cause I'm always iced out. Putting this shit on fees cause this shit.
Kune something is off. Kali
Idide angithi
bokhathile
ngiyayibona.
Uyenze ukuthi kibele phezulu kwenye.
Amabhazi wami ayaphela yi. W
Yazi
producer.
nje.
Amabhazi wami ayaphela le producer le so isekha le. Yo again.
Izobe kuzokhala.
El rap. La wena.
Semawazi next W producer.
Nah, we not getting out of the hood. Nah. Hey baba, you taking us out?
Siqalile nokhisho.
Qalela ke.
Sibuyela njani movie?
Change beat, maybe beat thinking. Funa new beat. It's okay.
Yeah,
Nice.
okay. Yeah, I guess.
Oh. Yeah. Ah, yabona.
Oh, isa ish.
Akaphumi ngimando sneak up to imagine.
Yari ngibele ukungena yiso man. Ngibele ukubetsa dikele. Alice man, Alice chat.
We are working la dlala nsizwa.
Yeah. El producer in the chat. Yeah. When a producer, yeah. Ukushanga empama, yeah. When a producer, yeah. Kakunga pipi, yeah. Yeah, my bitch suck my duzu, cause this shit ain't duzu. Look at Sparrow, he's up.
What's that? What's
I
that?
can't go. I spoon me hood la. I saw
Okay,
hood la.
Qala ithina ngiqala.
Eh, isipaka iqale.
Chinchi beat. Chinchi beat.
Eh, yabo. Awufakela inye beats lapha.
Ithatha isirasi mntwana. Funa ukuphuma kwi-hood.
We wanna get out of the hood here. Sifuna ukuphuma ehoodini ngoba le hood yes
Cabanga ke umuntu onjalo zenza ingoma.
Chat, let's just
New
stick
project.
to content. Because like, nah, this shit ain't working.
Hey baba, we don't give baba.
ejo rona ro kena da so
My project, that's not my project.
because I've been thinking about my life with you.
I've been wrong with the gangsters. Ngoba thina sihlala namahuzu.
Yo, hi.
Ile labelungu.
In my head. Yeah. Abe sengiliqabela leli beat. Sifuna ezamahali. Yeah. Kancane shit bro. Oh. That we using the chair. But watch the stream chair. Oh, listen, check it.
Sure.
Yeah. They say we. Yeah.
Listen,
Tell them with them keys.
alright. I've been talking for Ellie, I can even lie. Yeah, Nike techno designer papa.
Oh, you know what?
Hey.
Mangelo, hey, man, that man.
Oh yeah.
I wish. Yeah, new guys.
Bafunima.
I'm gonna try to like.
The beat makachongela.
Safana sebasifuna ibuku.
Kule beat basifuna izakhe. Abayazi ukuthi yashisa le beat.
Nali le free promo.
Nalo mostly.
Nazo Liz.
Is it wrong?
Liz is ni. Then this is Funima.
Please follow me guys to play.
Is a ball okay? Okay.
What do you mean gang? Like if you have many followers you'll play in Msipe?
Ay. Nah,
My bad baby, sorry.
I agree. Okay. Listen. From the first day I saw you, I saw the sunshine.
Gang is full of rap, man. Okay.
El Spam.
La kulana.
Yeah, well.
Sure.
This shit is tough.
It's tough, gang. It's tough. Try this one again.
Makwedin, yo.
Listen.
Kwedin ungazisiqhela ngoba wena uqhelekile apha elalini. Ngoba uthanda ukulala.
Ithanda ibhuti asusho ungazisijwala amasimba.
Uthanda ibhuti
Ungazosinyela wena kholo likanyoka.
Sure,
Ngazoyenza.
Yo, izo beat my I produce. Ay, pistola. Listen, shop. Yeah. How can I be homophobic?
M Steeler.
Yo.
M Lyric Steeler. Robbery.
Okay. Bomathela the creator nyana. Iyo le besijwayela blind le. Mazisijwayela kahle.
Wena.
Mazisijwayela masimba.
Akuna beat engenayo. Kini nzime.
Like
Asishutre.
Sizobande.
Mashane eyasiziyoni ngoba. Ubaba
Ale searcha i-trap.
Emfethu ungazijwayela blind wena, ungaziphaphela wena. Asingoba ngani bakho.
I-block.
Dona lezi zinuka masimba.
First of all, umdaka safuna ukuthetha nawe ngoba wena uhlambanga. Search it. Yeah, so
Fuck
Yeah.
your bitch.
listen. Yeah, I can't. Umlungu.
Yo.
No, clap that shit. Shake that shit.
Yeah.
Clap that shit for Sam.
Athina mncane.
Uzikiyela tara.
Ikiwela ro. Ngiyirayida ro.
Shinbo.
Yo baba.
Yo, jonga utata omngakanani.
Ibaba ngubaba mfethu wena. Yo.
Utata kabani wena?
Lathi izosithakatha. Ngibona isibheke njani.
Akana tata lo mntana. Hayi yabonakala kana bazali.
Okay, should I start?
Yeah, start.
Should I start, yeah?
Guys pa.
Yeah, makaqala.
Guys.
Hey, ndithi ngiyaqala.
Ngiyaqala ntana isithembele.
Hey, andifuna uvele.
Igrand.
Ngifuna ukuzwa.
Hayi.
1 2
Music voice.
Yeah. Shalom alaikum, that's me.
Lucy Boys.
Okay,
Amara shemere. So vanjani ke. Sikhema njengobaba.
Yeah. Listen, Shalom alaikum, that's me. I'm with this bitch TV. I'm with this bitch for Why in it? Chocha lyrics so.
Khoba lyrics.
Shabana malibili.
Copyright in your way.
Shabana malibili. Malebelebe.
Shabana malibili. What's up, Kelebo?
Away.
First go.
Oh, baby, laugh.
Okay, relax.
Yo ayijale
Ungayenzi.
Gen. Ungatshonti man.
Gibele qala.
Listen.
Go.
Yeah. Listen. Check. And lyrics. Yo.
Ubaba ntwana ifocus yamalizwe wayo. Listen. Asiphumi isitulo yini.
ngabe
ufile na la khona ufuna delete.
Man. Oh, to be saying
tomorrow is another day, another dollar.
Nithinga idelete.
Okay, so I'll ngiqhubeke kuwe.
Hayi.
Can you be serious? Okay, sizoba serious. Okay, that's
Okay, nga 1 2 3 go.
Yeah, listen. Telling me that I should be serious. Okay, let me start over. First shit first. I'm saying way too cool cause this shit. I start on my neck, yeah. El producer.
Kata, bana.
El producer.
Phela
Wine vesa le yayisophansi ngoba ngifuna le ne station.
Yeah, gang. Awunayo kuqala.
Yeah,
Sakunengisapha.
Hey. Afike umhlabeni nentshebe komthiche. Whatever.
Ngithi ngathi nizothola ama royal.
Yeah, listen. Telling me that I should be serious. Okay.
Kuna lento le
Yeah.
isinayi man asifuni.
Ngidipika tsako lona.
Akusida idini nje.
Afika shiny piano.
Hayi wena.
Ile piano yakhumbulana nowe.
Le
Yenza amanyax iso.
Yo, producers lahli ngoma zethu ezibasile.
Ufuna ukulungisa something man. Imi edit. Uyangazi.
Pitch shift. Okay, yabona ngokusokhupha umaskanda after apha.
Asifuna nenye le imbi man.
Ziyafana.
Idele.
Qhubekele kuleyo nje.
Saba right
Lokala ngiqalele ke.
Hayi grand.
That's why Jonga. Iyarasa dele noma ka recorder ukhala nada beat ekhala
Hey, maybe no.
Yona right beat.
Oh yeah, ukhuluma ivara.
Beat na le kibeli beat.
Ngafuna ivolume da.
Beat na le kibeli beat.
Yeah.
Khona le
Khenisa
naked.
kancane then sizayinyusa masesi.
Yeah, ngizikhalisa ufuna ukukhala.
Ngafuna. Ngafuna kancane.
Avula le page yonke. Hayi trend gang.
Yeah. So.
No, listen, now we flying.
Now you're not doing maniacs now. Now we're looking in shit.
Keep on the.
Man, you are not FSD.
like makalidi mosha ke wenzeni nje
Ayiphumi.
I producer yeah. Yeah. Kupalairiwe na qa.
Yeah, produce.
La repa no. Ya repa cause rona re bom repa ba kasi.
bomrepa
Ngazama khotsa
Zama
ko.
go tsaka fit.
re tswere minati
Yeah, ke da kupalairiwe na qa.
Ayiphumi. Dile lena wayenza sona.
oh
Asiqalile.
no
No, you're the producer there is ideas nenga ke. Siqalile. Go.
spanselo na lelo beat
Ayinyela.
Ngiphethe le speakers ka 3 teacher.
Producer yami bwa. Ya le producer mfethu hayi boy isirasa yihleki.
Ngidlali le producer.
Le producer le ayinqingi.
Asincini. Guys, iyacaba le producer lezi stream.
Uthokela.
Usakela.
Mawuthi.
Mawuthi.
no
Okay,
sisi
lamazini.
yabona free now
Yo.
khalisa $10 yo bese bethi underground udana
Wabiligili. Ibiti samahala ke.
Ayicha.
Singama free to play manyani no. Yo. Hayi khona.
Why zingavili zonke no?
I think sivela la.
She's
Sezifuna imali.
imali zonke.
nansi training day da yes nanku free
Happen be ayibona.
Ayi senze ngayo kuyaza manje. Yeah. Asina mabhida.
sure bathi ikasi yaliphumi ngekasi
Yo, mame bathi umjita uphumile ngeklasi kodwa amajita ahleli adla umngqusho igrand liyazeka manje yo
lalela akekho umuntu obhala kana lalela akekho umuntu oblind njengathi lalela sisazoba up angeke ngikho lalela akekho umuntu ozosiqotha
yiyo le
yo amtsheke intwana umoshe intwana
ufune leyana
Ungakhaya. Mama sazokhula. Mama sazokhula.
evedebhithi le ifuna ushaya into ezinjalo
ungakhaya
yiyo le
okay so
Ingcinga zami zibolile, hlala nilambile. Yo. Ingcinga zami zibolile, hlala nilambile, ngivuke ngingatyanga ngizotya ngoku.
Zotya ngoku nakho uproducer uyapheka zokuqoba libhithi ngihle ngathi ngisigwagwa
Ngicela ngama-peanuts, upeanuts ngimshiye US. Utshe amaqanda nami ngizowatya namhlanje.
suxelela ngopinathi ipinathi yani yefake ngoba yena akakwazi ukudyana isidoda uphume ngekasi umjita kodwa abakhulu abamlindi
Why ngingaseshika Pop Smoke?
hayi yona hayi ngayigwinya le mali
yabo. uyeda ama-instrument
it's a mistake man
Dlala guitar.
piano
ulimele taya
akakwazi ukudyana upinathi ngoba yena ngoba upinathi uyaphahluka apha kuma-internet WK
ukuphahluka isixhosa wena ulahlekile uphahlukile
Okay.
akekho
Ah,
umuntu
we shut up.
ulahlekile
iyafuna
okay
tana yami uzophuma yiso today we are recording okay can
listen dala bathi ngeke ndiyenze lento kodwa ngihleli lapha namajita siyayiqala hleli no-Mr. Producer apha ilambile umama kaphekanga endlini cause akunakutya nakho u-Mr. Producer uphekela ibhithi umsebenzi wami qha ukuthi ngitye le bhithi ndizotya namajita wami erumini
yeah ekreni
yo
Producer ndikayitrivi ke stop izinto fast ke. Ile yapi?
Listen, bro.
hayi ngasivili
Yenze
Yonke.
ikhalisi izogoba le khalisi
Only for timers njalo.
Thomas
Hey,
asimute inda
before.
okay we are going to mute for 2 seconds
Before wenza izinto nje.
okay chat like sizama impilo apha chat sizama ukuphuma ngekasi ngoba pha ikasi amajita ayavaya ayafly ngathi ngamajoni ayebhabha
yo
sizama impilo mina nobra wami ubra wami gama lakho ngutama bibisi ngoba uyababibisi
yeah listen yeah I got all these minds same people
wase waqala wajagathi ya
okay yeah
Eziningi zidlala
listen
lezi.
yeah I got bitches in my crib bitches in my legs yeah.
Yo, bitches in your crib.
Esnethemba
mbethe.
ayinkosi chat we should stick to streaming and content cause I rapping ayakhona
Baba kumele sirephe yiso.
listen
Shaya ibeat ka.
I got yeah
Okay, uyasho ukuthi uyazilanda.
Yo, ntwana iyadanka.
Wena, usenze sisinestress.
Izaba indlela atheke ipi.
Bazihethile.
Yo, asitaba nje keep stress.
Thinking about them days we were kissing.
Baba
Always thinking about the shit we were doing. I was
Yo, na king.
King,
Yo, the king.
Invite me lumamble before they did.
La bua na ma relax a piti ata. E fetso tla piti re shapa. Ki a producer wa boya. Producer e khopo.
Kikimu skakanda.
Garanda. The king voice.
Unmute. Unmute.
Okay, what's up?
Okay.
Mamela siveke ingoma yakho.
Even slide.
Listen to my verse, chat.
Oh, inzi volume da.
It's about to go down. Listen to this. Nancy, voice.
Oh, he thought EPT ile.
Eat. Yehlisa sweet.
Yeah.
Dala.
Yeah.
Music voice da. Music voice.
Dala bathi ngeke ndiyenze lento kodwa nje lapha namajita seyikhala.
Seyibambe namabhawayo. Yo le bhawani. Sayibhayilwana.
Stula ke kweniqalele ngiyakasa dileni. Hey, chat lo muntu lo. Yeah. Dala bathi ngeke ndiyenze lento kodwa nje lapha namajita seyikhala.
Yo.
Yo. Chat ningaxoki chat.
Esethu uyezwa amabhazi aqoqoshele anamagalelo anzima.
Yo, hi.
I was thinking about the life, yeah. I was thinking about this.
Okay, really. Afulbu.
Ngampiwa ngegrepeni ngitwa ngeke yo.
Uyacula.
Afula kancane.
Ngiyafuna.
Producer izimisele nhlahisa kancane. Yo,
Yeah. I was thinking about the life, yeah.
They get time.
Hello, Chela. Razo Guni. Yo.
Oh, ish. Damn.
Can't delete that.
Yeah.
Yo.
Jonga busele boku kuma thoughts. To be sound man.
Voice, dummy.
Hey man. Mahlats.
Wena ntwana wena.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Now it's my time. Not to fuck.
Asikakazophuma
Imana kayikibeli. Thathi ngikibele.
Hey, kanspa kayikibela.
Sure. Ngicela uphume eklabhini akekho umuntu ongangibonanga ngoba vele ngihot. Akekho umuntu ongasibonanga ngoba vele sihot. Sure. Masingena ngekasi to kasi akekho umuntu ozoqoba.
Ungakhulumi Semo.
Hayi kasi to kasi. Kaspa ke kaspa. Awufuna ukuqhubeza ke.
Ithindi njani?
Okay.
athi masithembele kusipho ngeke siphume.
Asahlala lapha
Kasi
kwelude.
yahlala straight.
Isithi
Don't era ama instrument.
Mistake man. Yo, ufuna ingwenya.
Iqalele like so, sive like
Yeah,
injani.
uthi ngena njani like blender njani.
Yo. Ivelum da. Bazo la wena.
Ifale beat.
Mame lapha boy. Yo.
Dala bathi ngeke ndiyenze.
Zale nto kodwa lihleli lapha bathi seyiqala le.
Yeah.
Musa up.
Ubaba kapekanga ngikwazi.
Akunakudya.
Mr. Producer
W pass.
Gibela momos.
Gibela after gibela
Gibela magibela umtshela.
Gibela wena.
Gibela wena ungayimosha.
Ngoba vele sesikhona sure hide your hoes when you see us coming yeah hide your hoes when you see us coming yeah ngoba vele akekho umuntu uzothathela nina ngoba vele thina sesikhona sesifikile as top dogs sure
Sakala ngishaye chorus.
yeah so
Producer.
Nize nenye.
yeah
Freestyle ndikuthembile. Awuzo freestyle isipha ngaba.
hayi uSpar uthanda utshontsha ingoma zabantu
Hayi lo. Si hot. Ngoba vele si hot. Kasi chukasi.
Taishi.
Yadibana yo.
Mudimu. Nganyana kiyo hle.
utilite ile level slam list 2
Angiltilta.
utilite level slam list 2
Angiltilta.
yabo ibesela samkele level slam lilaliso
Ayi angisasnanda.
Ayakushaya thatha inyanga. Bebe ngathi siyenze lento. Kodwa siyenzile. Hleli no Mr. Producer apha ngilambile. Akunakudya.
Oh, entani ngathi yo lena
Ngoba vele ngi hot. Ngoba vele si hot.
yeah kasi to kasi yo
yo lezi
Uliqalela le Vesle.
Okay, qalele.
Producer.
Beshaya.
1 2 3 go. Uwathami la uqulu.
kwenzakalanda mfethu producer mfethu
Producer wena sa produce ngokusosifake ekasi. Producer.
Bapala karona.
ukuthi sifike makasi kasi to kasi sifike sicova amagele angoba phele akekho umuntu ozobaphinda abe shahalala khama bosa imaqala okay
Eish.
okay
Ucinga vele uyenze.
that is why ngithi antuwa dayide ngiqhubeke from diverse leyana mfethu
Yenza enye man hey.
delete
Ungazosixelela wena. Ngabaxeleli.
Ngoba vele sinandi kayi9.
Wena uzoyimosha ndiyafa wena. Ndiyafa wena uzoyimosha wena.
Zoyimosha.
Sure usipho lona ukhosha lona sure sifike clubini sicova magel sure akekho ngaphumanga nathi ngoba vele si hot akekho ngaphumanga nathi ngoba vele ngi hot sure akekho umuntu ongokazi ukusibona ngoba vele thina sigcoka ibalance siyaka sure singena kasi akasi tukasi ngoba vele we want to get out the hood sure akekho umuntu ongasibonanga ngisho no Cristiano Ronaldo sibonile
Wayimosha. Hey.
Okay, siva.
Mfethu uzokhatha up Cristiano Ronaldo.
Ngoba vele ngihot. Siyaka.
Siya Balenciaga ese.
Kasi. Okay, guys.
Awutali masimi ngisho no Cristiano Ronaldo sibonile khatha after ID. Ungakhathi Cristiano Ronaldo mfethu.
Ngeke kunike imali ke.
Ungakhathi Cristiano Ronaldo. Yeah. Yiqhubeka
Guys, Spago man, Spago. Spago hard ke yo.
Yeah.
Jongalela cheti. Hayi vele makakhupha iphet ka Ronaldo ufunani Ekasi.
Yeah. Next verse.
Yena Willy.
Ngena wena.
Willy bathatha bana Ntiwiri.
Njembu sixeka so masiyikhupha le ngoma le uyiverse.
Zabu uyistreama yi.
Willy 1 2 3 go.
Sure. Cherami yivandani, Cherami hlabu 7, Cherami ngena ngekasi, vele siyababona, vele nhleli no Sam Paru. Nibuti.
Wele, yatshontsha le.
Etana ndimaster.
Aliyakhoba.
Yabathula le.
Antana wena.
Sure. Cherami yivandani, Cherami hlabu 7, Cherami ngena ngekasi, vele siyababona, vele nhleli no Sam Paru. Whoa. Ikhathela, whoa. Nhleli no Sam, ukhoshayo, producer, sure. Avele simnani, vele siyangena. Vele ngawo. Uzothenga ngijeri yakhe. After le truc, c'est pas. Never. Dipalele yena lili. Siyakhanda yini.
1 2 3 go.
Vele nhleli no Sam Paru. Sure, nhleli ne-producer, ukhoshayo, vele simnandi siyangena ngevosho. Qale kwi-OTF le ndaba, sikhuphuka.
Wayini la nje. Iqaleni yamfi. Iqaleni ya producer ikhathela kancane. Yayitana kengweni uthatha sikazi ndaba qala.
Siqale vele raka. Iqale yamfi, sihlawa amavesi. Vele nhleli no Sam Paru. Sure, nhleli ne-producer, ukhoshayo, vele simnandi.
Yazi njani Mr. Fortis iqalele sosi.
Yeah, iqalele sisi ukuthi la siblenda. Esethu yezwa ngishama straight bar.
Okay, mamela yesi.
Hlabuku ngekhwe. Squad ile yiso.
Nansi by Masipa.
Dala bathi ngeke ndiyenze lento kodwa nje lapha namajita
Siyayiqala. Hayi emisuzu.
Iswa.
Ngeke no Mr. Producer
Up.
ubaba kapekani ngokuze
Amna kudya.
Mr. Producer so sibulona ukhoshayona so speaking club in stop market so akekuphuma ngathi ngoba vele sihot
Yo, baxolele.
Yo.
umuntu ngokwazi ukubona ngoba vele thina sibona iBalenciaga
Go.
singena kasi akasithi
Kasi.
ngoba vele ukugera the shop akekho umuntu ongasibonanga ngisho noChristian
Sure. Cherami yivandani, Cherami hlabu 7,
Yo, boy.
vele siyababona,
Go.
vele nhleli no Sam Paru. Sure, nhleli ne-producer, ukhoshayo, vele simnandi siyangena ngevosho.
Le ndaba yi-OTF.
Le ndaba.
Umfana yena uyaligibela ibhithi.
Agibela wena producer.
Hayi yena umfana
Angakaligibela,
Khalisa le line le yiso because
Umfana uyaligibela ibhithi ngiyambona.
ukhatha wena.
Okay, 1 2 3 go.
Qale kwi-OTF le ndaba. Sure. Started off nice, now it ain't nice. Njeke.
Kubeka from ATL.
Ungathi sure ngoba vele soshilo
sure cause so sure da.
Hayi. Dayigwinya le mic le.
Iqale ku TF le ndaba sayicosha sayibeka ku Vosho ngoba
Sure, awe, sayicosha sayifaka kwiVosho manje sishaya iVosho. Sure, it's another. Wali botisa.
ungathi sure, uyathanda sure wena mfethu.
Manje sicovile manje shaya iVosho ingakho shaya iVosho ntwana le ndaba yaqala sibancane so ngakhula vele ngimncane ngidlala ngamatopo ntwana kudala nginswempu kudala ngiblind ntwana kudala ngidla amagele kudala ngisaha kudala siplanga lemplanga ntwana kudala ngipanga
Dala sipazisela ngabo bhala kaxane simnandi maye empilweni bafuna ukuzakala sifuni chilani bafethu sazoyenza le mali nanku Mr Producer naye ujabulile Blobe namachita ngoba thina sami impilo W Buzz
manje sicovile manje shaya iVosho ingakho shaya iVosho ntwana le ndaba yaqala sibancane so ngakhula vele ngimncane ngidlala ngematopo ntwana kudala nginswempu kudala ngiblind ntwana kudala ngidla amagele kudala ngisaha
Siyaphume makasana.
You're getting out the hood.
No, isi kanjani ngoma?
Oh, maybe safe. Ana mele ngifake yami vesi. Ngifake yami vesi. Okay,
So shayisi yasibiza ntoni? Igama lengoma inamba.
Yeah. Inamba iphumile charts C7 ungena ngo7 like kasana.
Ngoba ngeke uphume ngoba sokuhlaba ngabo 7.
Uyayithola ingoma ngena ngeVosho.
Vele ngoba mina ngiyaphakamisa abantu.
Ngoba kona isiphakamisi.
Usiphakamisele.
Lamavangala.
Oh ima.
Siphakamisi yayo usihlalisana.
Nina ningazosigwaza ngoba thina sizogwagwa.
Angakabe thinkaba.
Yabona shoot manje esethu
yabona lile shoot maye life
ngingayixovi ngathi siyadlala shoot manje yiso siyasaha
rap nge life
uyayithola uyabona nawe lile dala sikhona ngayi dala saha mfethu
ngazi ngathini
lengoma lena shoot maye izobane ngoba shoot maye isitori sethu yangithola sinde
sibhaya too much
ngiyelele beat bathini lapho
sure my man
Bathi mamela lana
voice voice gang
I think it's a voice up iti
Kalisa from there
bakuvimbi na ku voice akulu slare straight yo
whoa nigga oh chill out
khuluma nge-life yakho ngoba sikhuluma isikhuluma ngempilo
okay mamela ke
1 2 3 go
amamela man ngibela le verse ngathi nguma vest man ebathi mina man ngiqhima
producer isikhredi
hayi ngibela le beat ngenkani
yazi ningabasirasi yazi ngingaba serious nine potential ngoba thini potential
into esayiphiwa saqala sibadala
ngoba i-potential into esayiqala sibancane manje sesiyakhula sesiyaqikelela
qikelela phikelela ngale face
ngibele manje lifakibela lento lena wena
urase manje sithela phansi
1 2 3 go
ebathi ngibela le beat ngathi nguma vest ebathi vele thina sine potential
iyo man iyo mjeke iyo yazi sikhatha so
Qhubeka from there.
makayiqalele izoba sinayi makayiqalele
ithindive qala
ebathi ngibela le beat ngathi nguma vest ebathi ikhathi
yo dengi es nile es gang
delete ke
wo ufuna kuyizwa la
yo boy uzalayo boy yo ndiyayiva boy ndiyayiviza
izenhliziyo
God. These are
yo
young studio session
sure
siyasaha ngoku bra uyandeva mfondeni he
ebathi ngibela le verse ngathi nguma 7 ebathi thina sine potential ukuthi sishaye lento ebathi ngisprima ku kick dewe unyongo bekakhahlela man ebathi ngiva esikela ngana nix man ngifike esikela ngispina yonke le mali ngifuse ukwazi ukondla abazali bami man qaba
sure waqala amncane lenda ingade big yaphela ju
hayi phelile ntana yazi ngabe yenza isiyathetha zazo
masive
yo mamela
ayish lento lena bafithi ingena
urekhodile wena hayi el producer
uzodelete dani yami
wo okay thinizo
wait
no el producer
engalimoshi verse likama verse iqala ku 48 verse lakho iqala yiso
kwa ngithi sizingoma man
sizingoma mamelapha
bra
yo
unrelease lena bra exclusive yo
kuyithole
awunithola
ngaqala le
siyayiqala yo verse lakho kawo
yo akunakudya wayikhona indawo eshotayo la ngoba
yarizina
khona bekhathileyo seke khathele inye verse elishisayo manje
verse elimajabajaba
yabo umsebenzi wami qha ukuthi yale beat
hey ngisofuna ukukhipha into
yo ngitshele jakajuka beat nawusoveza yonke namanye ukhathi akhathi la silaha khona silaha la apha ngathi kurasa khona
yeah yo
ngigwinya le mic le
sayiqala lento mamela la
bathi ngeke siyenze
mamela enkosi mamela iverse kaSem
ngeke siyenze lento kodwa sinanga amajita sayiqala
yes sure
so then no Mr. Producer up akunakudya umsebenzi wami ukuthi ngikulethi no awuyazi
Balenciaga shop singena kasi kasi ngoba vele we want to get up the good shop akekho umuntu ongasibonanga ngisho noChristian shop
dibanisa is ngoba zihlukene la again awazi ma lyrics wakho na wena again ngeke phela no gang lento yakho ukuthi ungazi ama lyrics wakho yasikhabana
Sure. Cherami Club 7.
Cherami ngena ngekasi vele siyababona lekeni no Sam Paru sure ngeline producer
yo hayi ngoma bafile ayidibani
Suka la.
le ngoma yethu ayidibani le
Whoa. Now, no tibene no. Now tibene.
yenze ke si uqalele
Basobo maphorisa. Bathi ayenzi hayi akafuni ukuzwa niki.
yebo uthini bafuna ningazi ama verse wenu yasikhabana
Amanesh. Funa saza ama verse machini. Verse likama verse.
yala yaya bathi ningaqalile ngoba kuthini namathi seqala lento so Leli no Mr. Producer up ngiyabona yo akuna kuthi ngitshele le jika up yo
akekho ungaphumanga nathi ngoba vele
Ngicabanga imagine.
ungaphumanga nathi ngoba vele ngibot akekho umuntu ongakwazi ukubona ngoba vele sigcoke iBalenciaga
yo
singena kasi akasi ngoba vele want to get up the good shop akekho umuntu ongasibonanga ngisho Cristiano Ronaldo
Sure. Cherami Vandal, Cherami Club 7.
Cherami ngena ngekasi vele siyababona lekeni no Sam Paru sure
awazi ngizo
simnandi siyangena ngefoso OTF nenjalo lesicovile manje shaya ifoso
awazi verse akayazi verse yakhe
kudala ngidla amageli kudala ngisaha kudala
umamele hlanganisa siyaphuma ngehood
We are getting out the hood, nigga.
awazi verse yakho again
Mandilibele, bra.
yaphuma inumber Thursday next week Thursday yaphuma inumber
News.
ni streaming
Yaphuma number Thursday, guys. Go stream.
yaphuma nenze show ukuthi ne
Usidibanisile. Lena ilefneki phume le. Eat. Oh. Suka la.
Yakhalaza ngabazali bayo.
yakhala
Mama.
ivala iphela sileyam check le bonisa ukuthi streamile ndisho sesilibele nokuthi
Ishe nokucisha le stream.
My stream sentence on.
awusibhekela yethina ngoba sami impilo lapha emhlabeni yazi ithinde enzeni no ithini journalist ndijoin streams abantu after sithi ba rating ngoma yethu yabo Cele mafakathi
Baba ngiyayifuna le ngoma le.
nami ndiyayifuna
Ngiyayifuna baba.
Asipende masisi yo hayi shushu.
Hayi shushu yashisa.
Mina ngithanda itshwala la.
Bona buthanda mina.
Athi nalo yasephaka ngenza.
Asayirekhoda ngefoni ngesikhathi.
Let's save just now. Yeah, kuma save.
No CC sithola ba.
Project man, project check ndo.
Asisela abantu number.
Suka with la.
Awe.
Suka.
Thula. Awewe.
Ngiphutshisa.
Ebafethi cela favor bafethi. Cela favor. Esirasa.
Mamela mu.
Mawoshi, imangayiqala. Relaxa. Mamela. Mamela iso kao. Mamela ikao. Wa ke batla le rating pina ya rona re fetsa o shapalo.
Wabo.
Mamela.
Wo. Ayena.
Afok wena.
Msuna wena.
Fok.
Ba ziyakoloza liza.
Why one?
Hey.
Hello, my castle.
Yo, low wise ring
Just
so.
being a human being.
Umshayeli number.
Nango.
Don't be fooled.
Gomorra.
Do not be fooled.
Jonas Gomorra.
Hello.
Belo baba 7.
Molweni bo.
Hey Gomorra.
Mathula ka. Again. Like okay. Listen ne. I need a favor ne. Ngifuna like urate ingoma yethu siqeda ukuyenza manje out of 10. Ane.
What if I'm different?
Ngafuni it's cool.
Ningayicula kodwa.
Siyayikhalisa sekuvisa wena manje. Sicela uzimute.
Away.
Sure. Mamela le number. Igama layo
Number. Dropping Friday.
Yaphuma number Thursday.
Ningakhulumi.
Dala bathi ngeke ngiyenze lento kodwa ndaba namathi
Seyiqala lento.
Yeah. You know Mr. Producer Mr.
Chira mhlaku 7.
Chegami ngena ngekasi vele siyababona elekhelile sempano sho ngelinye producer ukhoshana vele simnandi siyangena manje sithovile manje shayifo ngingakho shayifo sho bana le ndaba
Yaphuma number.
ngakhula vele ngincane dlala ngematopo intwana dlala ngithembu dlala ngilayi Kwana kudala ngidla mageli
Dala isaka. Yo. Wow, yeah, wow. Yo. Mamela bra. Yo. Kaeke boy. Yo. Ay sitana yo, ntana ngabe yeki. Unmute yourself. Who's mutile gang? Oh, like
so like
out of 10.
out of 10
Out of 10. First of
We know.
Tashi.
Taji.
Ingamaxhosa.
Yebo.
Out of 10.
Yeah. Be honest though.
Be honest though.
Wahleka.
I'm not laughing. The thing is like the fact that Ingamaxhosa. Okay.
Now ngumXhosa mus.
NdingumXhosa, but like that's like
It's
You
S.
disappointed. Basic.
no. I'm giving it a solid 8.
Yo. Inamba
Number, go stream it. Yeah, Boom on Friday. Oh, that's full special Fridays. I announce that.
Yo, yaphuma inamba.
So shame music video,
Swabne.
Intwana.
Lesifuna ukuzisa
Let's
inamba
talk to
namba.
messages.
Sikuzisa ama exclusive.
Yeah.
Yangithola ekabi.
Next week.
Ayikabi.
Sasa shine music videos osibona.
And sikufuna ku music video ke. Senza kanjani?
Sisakudinga
Dinga ku
mfethu.
music video yenamba. Sikusa eDubai soshaya eDubai naseSoweto le music video.
Ndifuna uyongisa amagaka phakathi.
Hayi, kubeka.
Mamela. Obviously,
Yabona
siya
amakhulu.
Dubai. Andithi no siqale kasi, no sise Dubai,
Yabo.
yabo. So
Ngoba
iqale
sithatha-
Sotra.
le ndaba le sayithathe kasi sayibeke eDubai manje
eDubai.
soyibuyisa sibuyise
Yangithola.
Yangithola
kawo. Yeah.
Yani,
manje sikufuna ku music video
Senza
ke.
njani ke kawo.
sicela like I'm so sorry guys. I'm so sorry guys. Like guys,
It's disappointed.
Siyakustressa ne?
Awusale kahle sisi wami.
Okay. Uyicinge le ndaba ye music video
Uyicinge
inamba
le ndaba
nami
ye
yaphuma
music video.
Thursday streamer.
Inamba nambi yaphuma Thursday. Go stream it.
Bye bye.
Each month.
What is you guys' names?
Mina ngumavecho uyangithola.
Mina uma 7.
Khangela inamba like lengoba nithetha ngayo like
Oh, inamba.
Inamba nami igama
Inamba. Crew. Inamba na.
Eh.
iku.
Yeah, crew.
Negama
Number 4.
lengoma.
Oh,
Igama lengoma inamba story.
number story.
Yeah.
Yabo.
Taji.
Siqale C4 vele le ndaba.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you for your time. We really appreciate you. Go stream the song on Thursday, ne?
Bye bye.
What you say Tropani?
Thursday.
Awe yaphuma
Okay,
inamba sikufuna ku music video wena.
Yele yadimanda.
Why ithi ndiyasebenzele mangani ngakayenza yaqoka.
Put your head on my shoulder.
Asisaba iqhele.
Okay.
Yeah, share le.
Sifike sifika sasedayi.
Samu bahlukalela
Baby.
Baby.
So imayeza le. Asebda wena. I want you to hear something.
I want you to read our song.
Awuthakhe bese.
bathakashekile mu ngithi uthi uyiwani the rest
Our song.
ngibamuthusa.
Why ningena kuma live?
Hayi waba ngaphelelani ntsha. Yo.
Our song.
Wait, I'm not. They're only showing me the top viewers. I'm not seeing everybody.
Like why ningathi nge-video call.
Sure.
Taji.
guys?
How are you guys?
Nice, you.
Yeah, we nah. Okay, basically that we are number. Okay. Listen, ne, we want you to rate our song out of 10, ne. Should we roll? Oh. I want you guys to mute, ne, and listen. Away. Producer Shiling.
Angibashaya.
Yo. Nah, boy.
Yo.
Nah. Kodwa vele abomashida siyayiqala le ndaba. Go.
Oh, very emotional.
Yeah. Yo.
Esondezi ngale.
Phelele.
Go. Go.
Ngoba vele sihot.
Ah, man.
Siyaga.
Go. Go.
Sure.
Hey, come on, man, look at you out there. Yo.
Mamela, listen.
Ah, kayeke boy. Go. Kulama le mswako kaloku. Jala saka.
Yo. That's it, bro.
Kayeke boy. Go. Yo. Go, my 7. Go.
Hey, akakhathela unyoko wena.
Yo. Kayeke boy. Go. Yo. Ayiphelile jo. Unmute ke sikuva ukuthi uthini.
Uthini ke ngale ngoma yethu?
Majentle soriti vele.
Ay, dropa aí.
Yazini sikuthi le ngoma le gama la inamba
Number story is dropping on
Fere.
on Thursday. The producer.
Yeah, Thursday.
Yeah, yabo.
Sikuthi le ndaba lesayiqala yekasi manje soyibeka la eDubai.
Ngiyangithola.
So no like sitting ezokwazi ukuthi beka music video. Yabo. Like sitting mamela. Lengoma le it's about
mamela.
Ngiyangithola.
Yabo.
Sikuthi masiyimbumba.
So manje imbumba and y'all are a perfect resemblance.
Imbumba yangithola
Yabo.
nika.
Like nimbumba nihlobene nakhene. Yabo. So we need y'all guys to go with us or on the music video shoot. Yabo. Izoba la Soweto, then we fly out to Dubai.
Tlang bloody details.
Oh,
Usigabu ngaphi mos? Ngena la spo.
Live stream.
Ekhaya.
Yo, zo.
Mine is rate abungaphi out of 10. Yo, ayikabi.
Yo.
Siyaphuma. Hayi sikuthi maye sobonana ke so ngizokushaya ngecall ka uyangithola. Awe ko. Uzobukwazi usala bethetha ngathi. Why la ini kanti?
That's the
Nja.
Cape Town, yeah.
Awukhalisi ingoma manje.
Khathele ne. Ukhathe.
kunenilapha.
Sana ishara ile mameli namba.
Iyasho hot ngalo. Ngikiseka nayo vele lesifili yakho.
Seyithole ekhaya kuwe ntwana. Awe na so mameli namba we. Ulala mama sita. Laborite.
Manje.
Obvious ngifuna ukuthi mangikwazi mase sikuline.
Ntsha khona esisahayo ntsha. Jonga lena mfiki.
Yule. Kalakilithi awusemuhle ntombi yabantu.
No, kana izithula nomwazi ntwana.
Ithuba mama.
Bo.
Ali asani Cristano.
Ngasheleyo.
Nibhokile mamelani namba.
Labantu abanamavidiyo mangabe kumele bayali.
Hey fit. Ifade.
Ngone yavuka.
Yesterday the star was already sleeping.
Mafike endlini.
Sana khabula ngafuna ukhabula.
Okay, i-cup jabula akekho umuntu ozosiwa mina ngiyamthanda akekho ntsha.
Ngathi khona umuntu okuphilisayo nje.
Akekho umuntu ozohlala nathi ngoba ufuna ukuhamba. Wena one
Uzocisha uDrake umamele thini. Ngoba we better.
Yo again.
Lo mntana mamele Drake kunemusic.
Yes, nanko guys.
Awewe. What did I miss?
We didn't miss nothing.
What did
Listen, you didn't miss anything. La. Scoopy, babe. Awewe, la. We just did a song right now, and we want you to rate it out of 10.
Wait, nah.
Hey. Listen, please pause your music so that you can hear this properly.
It's pause.
Okay, I
Tashi,
bet.
wait.
We want you to rate it out of 10.
Give it
wait.
an honest reaction. Honest
Let's
rating.
say, scoot my idea, see, bizang number now, I'm young child.
Izwa la.
Listen.
So there's that.
Can you hear it?
Yeah.
Okay, Tashi.
Yo. Yesiyenze lento kodwa sina machita siyaqala lento. Yo.
Yeah.
Selino Mr. Producer up. Yo. Akunakutya.
Akekho ngaphumanga nathi ngoba vele ngihot.
Yo.
Akekho umuntu ongasibonanga ngisho no Cristiano Ronaldo.
Yo.
Ningakhulumi ngoba ngeke ayizwe trend.
Twana lendaba yaqala sibancane so ngakhula vele encane dala ngamatopo emntwana kudala ngithwini kudala ngilive twana kudala ngidla amageli kudala ngisaha dala
Dala yidla mageli, dala ngisaha. Yo.
Dala sipayisela ngakubhala kancane silali mayekubili bafuna silali bafethu sazenza nemali nashisa kusana ibathi ngibela leve singathi muma 7 ibathi sishaye
lento ebathi ngistrima ukhiki dewe unyongo bekakhahlela manje ebathi ngibayeskela ngana niksi manje
Go.
eskela ngispina yonke le mali
Go, mamela bra. Go.
So wacala amncane lenta ingakhulija phela nje.
Yo, wakethu. Asuka.
Okay. Listen, rate this song out of 10.
Asuka, yangala namnu. Yo. Yamula ide yo.
Okay. Who's Williams?
8.5.
Yo. I said properly. Yo.
No sidinga ukuthi shot ukuthi shy music video ngoba inamba nami yaphuma Thursday angithola maye sifuna ku music video sifuna ushoot amale
No, I can't do that.
Uyakubasisa boy.
Sabe khona ngo Drake ila ngithola
There will be Drake there.
right
Obvious.
Ayikho into ezechija phe.
Obvious, mamela. Obvious le ndaba siqale eSoweto yabo, eSotra dipeni kanti efekuzodilita mama dayidida. Yabo, siqale eSotra manje siyayixova le ndaba, sivana yova ekhaya.
sonda right
Anye ngesingisi yechinja yonke.
You don't want to see Drake.
okay
But you were just listening to him just now.
Man, I'm fine though.
Okay.
maye
Taishi.
stream number ke angithola
Okay.
ithi number way
Okay.
isho
Number way.
Tashi. That's it.
Nah. Oh shit. There'll be Drake there. I got fair try.
My PhD.
Okay, my son's no.
Yeah.
If
Thank
you
you.
are
Hey, you must be first. I didn't must you first, and if you're still in this live, by the way. I want to disclose our conversation here. Whatever we talk about.
like chamber demand that stream. She on. The number them mfumba na iphone isenza njani? Hey, how you say feeling? You just born with you bad.
It's not yours. That means you cheated. But
Download
cheater-
the
number.
recent project. You have no recent project. Hey, when you must try that way now.
And the way to cheat up it, to promote it.
Yeah, I saw say number.
Cheat up it.
Try that. This Spanish younger. If I score a little
Will you guys they checking? Yo.
Now, try to say some voice in real. Yabona disekaze bathole imali. Wena lona wena angizungichaza uthi uthena ena ubetshele le ntombazane yachitha yantuza
Enjoy tandu afani. It say
ujole nale ntombazane yabese yachitha so bethu
You must record in your phone.
Ilalela wena
Wena.
number liyaphuma manje. Awewe. bafethu utlwalang mona bafethu o itse keng ke batla le mamele pina re qeta o etsa jwale no re qeta o etsa no re batla batho ba tlo e ratang out of 10 le nyora
ya bravo ga nna stress bravo ga shapa treke go go ntle ka ditlela ga
awe
utlwa mona
ke number le bitso la yone
utlwa mona ntang
yo a bethe
utlwa mona bra
dala bathi ngeke ndiyenze le hey hey mute
origi
aska mi utwa mali
mute gang re batla go utla sentle ke
e thatoatsi wa go mang
e qala le mute bafethu dipika tsa bona
twatse ke nna brava ka man
utlwa iso ge o ska bua mfethu mamele
re batla
mfethu
mamele sentle
o ska bua
lona ska bua o mabedisi
awe
so
dala bathi ngeke ndiyenze le nto kodwa nje lapha namajita sayiqala they don't know Mr. Producer up umama kafekane because ngifuna ku nanku Mr. Producer phekele umsebenzi wami xa ukuthi ngikele isentana majita wami ngoba vele ngihot
akekho umuntu ongobokazi ukubona ngoba vele thina sigcoka ibhale siyaka sho singena kahle akasithi class ngoba vele umuntu ufika bekusho akekho umuntu
Chirami ngifanyana, chirami hlabu 7, chirami ngena ngikasi, vele siyababona.
Hlatha bonyoko
baqothile
awu nina 10 viewers usuma bonyoko
Uthisa khoshayi.
ethi sifuniso nitisa manje ngoba
Shaya ingoma
ethi
sinyidise.
siyasobadisa yo alena cha yo NDCU yo antana
Siyamuna yi.
ale isana lena
sikhona
asikho lomhlathweni nje isikhiphile
uphuze ilive
Funi detention.
yebo
sikulive amafoka ngiyabona
ngathi bana 10 views laba
bona yintwana
yana
labantu lawo yes
eba bathina sithola iflex baba
okay yo
ayiso nina noWest nenza ngamabomu futhi
Eliza sikasisuphala
ngathi singathola ishamadikisi njalo
mina bafu
ingakho
ingakho
ngoma le after umuntu oshita ngama
mina bangangishizela ngiyaphuma
Posting ngayo.
I feel like me.
gifts yeah okay
ayizakasiza sifuna
Hey.
sifuna ukubuza
uba luvini lo
yo
uvini lona
hayi ngovini
nguye obese ufakela ile entsha sangiyachaya
We do you 3-1 or we just
yo
break
abazizwa lisi
ithini fona lumachaza ngeziko
like sifuna sodwa.
nawe
Change the request la. Yeah, you are available.
Zophelela egroupini yesikele after sibasihamba.
Yeah.
Asikhona egroupini yesikele after sibasihamba. Zali shy. Yazwile.
Zisinamba labantu mabacabalazi bazozinamba.
Yeah, nayi lefuna ukupromote izinto zayo. Ibrand yami event yayo izolhafa.
Ule man lombo.
Yeah.
Malume.
Andithi umalume andazi leyo brand womshini. Wala ukhanikile poison yabo. Awewe. Awufuna imali, maye bheka. Yo we. Okay man, ndenze kule. Babelele kule.
Ngawubhalele kule matric yakhe.
Awe sizona. Iphendulano nizoqabala. Ela awewe.
Oh, bengingamangani lapha.
Eninalalelani, mamelani.
Bada.
Mamelani, siqeda ushaya ingoma yangithola.
Yangithola man.
Wesifunani?
Uzokhala nja.
Bheka kawo. Bheka shaya ingoma yi. Awe.
Asifuni.
Text la WhatsApp to guy live location. Bheka sifuna unimamela isingoma yethu. Vela nonke sifuna ireaction yenu kaloko. Acobile vela man. Jesus. Mutani ke. Nimamela inamba. Scoot maye bheka. Yiremi kanje. Mutada mamela ingoma. Mutada man. Dos falkufalun. Mutada suzo mamela ingoma. Ayishaya. Mamela ingoma after sizoshova nifuna nivisa ingoma. Ethi C4.
Yo. Unkulunkulu wami.
Awe. Mamela ke. Yo. Abetho isenda. Up the lobby. Nizoyiva njani makanikazi?
Esekumatric yakhe.
Leli location.
Hey, ufuna ama live location iva.
Cabanga after zize nginyanga.
Yo, why? Indali.
Yeah, I see it. iPhone tech.
Uyimidile.
Adimidanga.
Le yamkela le ngelixesha. Ngazifuna ikhinya njanja xa iringa mfithu uthola ukuthi group.
Cala ningakazi. Sisingoma yi. Sicade ushaya linye hit elishisayo. Masimela abanye abayi5 inyana. Yo, yeah.
Yo, ayeni nabantwana basesigangelani man. Hey. Ngizophasa man.
Shaya ingoma yama-prelimi.
Awu.
Ukuthi siphase.
Oh, nagcobi. Asishaye i-voice note. And then sizukuzazela. Asida kulangeni.
Yo, lezo nibulayi. Awe baba sisha.
Bebe, mamlangeni mamela la.
Sishaya ingoma, shikuthi le ngoma le sishala
Prelimi.
ama-prelimi ukuthi abantwana besikela baphase.
Aphase man. Mamela la na.
Mamela yini?
Mamela. Mizo. Mamela la.
Yo.
Yeah. Dala bathi ngeke ndiyenze lento kodwa nje lapha namathi
Tayayiqala.
yeah. Then you know Mr. Producer up. Udama ngabe kanye because naku Mr. Producer phekeni. Umsebenzi wami hawo ngikele. Isentando majita wami erumaket shop. Akekho ungaphumanga nathi ngoba vele sihot. Akekho ungaphumanga nathi ngoba vele sihot. Shop. Akekho umuntu ongamukazi.
Hey, yandala melishaya.
Shop singena kasi akasithi kasi ngoba vele we want to get out the good shop akekho umuntu ongasibonanga ngisho noChristian
Sure. Cherami ifadani, cherami kabu 7, cherami ngena ngikasi, vele siyababona, vele ngelino semparu. Sure, vele nemkhotisa, koshani, vele simnandi, siyangena ngefosho, kale ku-OTF nenjaba. Manje sitofile, manje shaya ifosho, ingakushaya ifosho, ntwana lendaba yaqala sibancane. Sure, ngakhula vele ngincane, dlala ngamatopo, ntwana kudala ngimflimbi, kudala ngifly, ntwana kudala ngidla amagele, kudala ngisaha, kudala sihlangane mlanga, ntwana kudala
dala sipakisela ngabomala
Kaqale. Yo.
Tilani bafethu sazoyenza nemali nakho Mr. Producer
Ebathi ngibela level singathi nguma 7.
Hayi Mizo. Hayi.
Uyasipasisa Mizo ngale.
Yo, siyapasa yimi.
Siyaphuma kuye team.
Izwa yilangi.
Sure. Wacala amncane, lento ingaphinde kujaphela nje.
Hayi Mizo. Siyapasa yiyo. Hayi Mizo. Yo.
Angayenzi lady. Hey. Wangashanga imvula, atungayenzi lady.
Anbani. Anfundi. Anesipethile.
Anfundi ibisi.
What?
Ibefuna msezi video ngayo.
Mfethu.
Senda la copy. Yo ngiyarecorda ngayishi.
Yo, space intwana ngisho esidabuzekile.
Ibefuna mna.
Awe malume textile leyo ngisashovana la.
Vela sings ingoma.
And besonsansi live.
Yes.
Yeah. Cabangazi kukhiki didele ibizokugayi zakho because of 2 hours like me boma 3 hours 4 hours live.
Noma ungena views.
Noma ungena views.
Yo ivalile mfethu. Kumba ivalile why?
Maybe nakho igqoba ivala.
Ile ntwana le phapha. Nangayiso. Oh, idayide. iWhatsApp ikuda iphone le ya.
WhatsApp.
Yona le.
Zayisenda.
Ekawunti tinshano mina ngene trap esicade kuyishaya mfethu. Amara uzobona soyisenda no. Sayisenda no. It's just that there bikhala snayika.
Mamela lana misisi lange iyo.
Wena mamela apha nangene
Bakala.
uyaspita. Yo. Expert.
Bakuxosha nekubheka.
Uzosibiza la e-office. Zana basandanu. Amizo. Emizo, mamela lana
Emizo
mfethu.
shaya ingoma,
Yo.
sifuna i-rate emizo out of 10.
Yeah, ibamba
Ngoba
la.
nathi italente lento.
Ngeke sibe grand vele incwadi maka isobulala
Ngeke
mfethu.
semnandi sonke kodwa la
Yeah, uyayibamba la li. Mamela la.
Le out nja. Suka.
Mema uzobona. Okay, Mizo.
mamela.
Mizo, mamela la. Listen. Yes, Mizo. Ronaldo. Mizo, asuka. Mizo. Mizo, Chanez eziclassifies, achama piano, Chanez no, Mizo, Mizo, awe Mizo, awe nyancane. Zobona ukuthi yadelela. Yo ayizobona.